Hi, we're Jacqueline and Joe. We holiday around Ireland in our folding camper. We merge our love of running, hiking and camping by visiting campsites and exploring the surrounding areas. We would love if you would join us on our travels too. After an amazing stay in Dingle, I'll leave a link to that video in the description. We headed on our way to our next destination, firstly stopping by Inch Beach. Then on to Mannix Point Camping and Caravan Park in Cahersiveen. Inch Beach! This way, Ali! This way!
Inch Beach. That's the cloud and the rain. That's the beach we're heading in. The sun is shining. Sun, cloud, dogs, beach, car park for free. We're going. Crack.
Hey there! So we've packed home overnight for two reasons mainly. One is because Joe has some farm work to do, and two because the puppies have an appointment with their groomers. And to be honest with you, it worked out really well because the weather just got a little bit wet and a little bit windy. But hey, you know what they say, there's no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing. So we are going to be on the road again in the morning, nice and early, so we'll see you in the van then. Ciao! To be honest, we were a little bit disappointed that the weather turned quite rainy. In Ireland, when the kids go back to school in September, the weather is quite nice. Alright, what you gonna do? Won't let a little bit of rain dampen our spirits. So if you want to see photos of the doggies after their grooming and see how cute they are, wait until the end of the video.
It's a little bit scary. Not scary. We're a little bit worried because it's been Connie's first night on holidays without us because we had to come home because of the weather. So let's hope she got on okay. It's going to be exciting to see how she's looking, how she got on. Hope she didn't try wild parties or anything.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order?
How you going? Can I have 2 large cappuccinos, please?
Yeah.
That's perfect, thank you. That's hot. Later on in today's video, why not come for a tour with us around the town of Cahersiveen. We'll show you some of the sights, and then come for a tour of Mannix Point Caravan and Camping Park. Ka-ding!
The sun came out and we strolled around the town of Cahersiveen. Stumbled upon something that should be in every village, small town and city in the world. Positivity Lane. Hey Joe, never stop believing in magic. It is everywhere. Place your hand on my heart and make a wish. Painting of this laneway was commissioned, and with thanks to the Cahersiveen tidy towns. To be as happy as you can be. A little piece of heaven and the kingdom, surrounded by the beauty of nature everywhere you look. everything that is meant for you will find you. From people she wants, she feels.
I don't think the two guys are broken.
Wake up, this is it. Your one amazing chance to do the best you. The sun will come out tomorrow. That was us yesterday. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. May the force be with you. Oh yeah.
One over here with that.
Life will be full of rough seas and calm waters. That's life. Enjoy it. There's nobody better at being you than you. You are perfect just as you are. When you focus on the good gets better. That is so true. All of life is a choice. Choose wisely. Amazing.
You close your eyes, turn hands to fists. I know that sign will make me hit. Calm down, we can fight this. Baby, calm down, let's rewind, please. Yeah, we will sin to make us last. Oh yeah, we'll drown, we'll swim too fast. Come on, we can make up. Honey, come on, let's not break up. Like a firefly, burn till the day we die. Make me feel alive. You and I love to lie. Anything.
Welcome everybody. We're back in Kerry after a 24-hour stop in Tip to sort out heifers and cattle. And the camper never budged while we were gone. Ground conditions are improved greatly. As you can see from the previous trip here the other night, it was a little bit wet and windy. But oh, that's the name of our site, or our pitch. That's where we're located. But just beside us, that's where we are. A little bit windy, but not major. I'm still in the shorts and the t-shirt. Yeah, literally. That's what we walk up onto. It's not a sandy beach, it's a stony beach, if you want to call it that. That's back up on the ring in Kerry. That's back up to Cahersiveen, which is just there. That's the town just up there. That's back to Kerry. There are the other pitches. They're looking around there. But yeah, this is where we are. Chat you later, people.
It's just
really
phenomenal.
nice.
Yeah.
Like them waves, even the other evening, like them, and they're still the very same way, like steady,
Yeah.
bang, bang, bang. It's lovely trickle of water.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Like.
Yeah.
Mountains, front, back, side.
The sun is
Beautiful.
coming down over the mountains. Well, it's still quite high in the sky.
Oh yeah.
What time is it
Just a bit
now? 5:30. Yeah,
Cloud is over.
slowly coming down. But it's just phenomenal. It's a gorgeous day. And it's not too cold. It's quite nice. It's lovely.
Cool breeze.
Yeah. Mannix Point, I have to say, is such a beautiful campsite. And the
Nice
location.
atmosphere here, actually.
Oh,
even with
lovely
fellow
atmosphere.
campers, like.
Yeah, fellow campers are gorgeous, and the campsite is lovely, and the location is unreal.
It's a huge site.
Yeah, the backdrop is unreal.